This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the headset so the reset can complete reliably. Make sure the battery is above 30% and power the headset off. Once done, remove any wired connections and unplug the wireless dongle. If your model has a recessed reset button, keep a pin handy. Then press and hold the headset power button for 10 to 15 seconds to clear transient states. This forces the device into a known idle condition and prepares it to accept a fresh pairing. Once the headset is idle, perform the forced reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until LEDs change or blink. This clears the current wireless pairing. Make sure the dongle is free and plug it into a direct USB port on the host. Do not use hubs. Now power the headset on while holding the pairing/power button so it enters pairing mode. This signals the dongle to accept a fresh connection and rebuilds the radio link from scratch. You finalize by waiting for a solid LED or confirming audio passes through, which proves the headset and dongle paired correctly. If it does not pair, make sure to reboot the host, reinsert the dongle into a different USB port, and repeat the hold power reset sequence. This clears any lingering host-side USB issues. If problems persist, reinstall or update firmware via SteelSeries GG, because firmware corruption is the only remaining cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.